I got a 2008 Acura. Let's see what we got here. A RDX turbo. I'm getting ready to install some sway bar stabilizer links because one of them is loose and making noise. It's got a little bit of rust on them, so I usually spray some penetrating oil on them, then let it sit for about 30 minutes. And then I guess an 18mm socket. I usually put it on there at high power reverse, and it normally takes it right off with no effort. The bottom one, unfortunately, I have to use a wrench on the bottom one because you can't get your ratchet in there. Let me grab my hammer here as soon as I know where it is.
Oh, Mr. Flintstone, here's your paper.
Where is my hammer? Okay. I don't know where my... Let's see where my hammer at. Oh, there it is, right there. Okay. Get my hammer. So I can get this off of here. There we go, we got it loose. It wants to turn on me. I got a 17mm wrench. Okay, there we go. Get that off there. Alright, come right on off of there. Let's see. Okay, no, I still gotta use the wrench. Try another one. Okay. It still should come off of there. Now it should come on. Man, still won't come off of that. Alright, now to come on. Alright, that's one down. Got that one off. Took a little hammer persuasion. Got the new one here. In the back. Yeah, of course it doesn't have a... It has an Allen wrench instead of a wrench. So let me grab my Allen wrench here. Let's see. Let's see where they at.
You still insist you're gonna fly in that crazy control?
Let's see. There go my Allen wrenches. Let's find the one that fits in here. Perfect, right there. Alright. Alright, just take your, I can get this out of here. Put this on here. Got my nut. Let's see what size this nut. I think it's an 18 as well. Nope, that's 19. Let me grab me a 19. There we go, 19. Put that in there. Put your nut on it. Alrighty. Put my 19 wrench. Put my 19 on here. Put my Allen wrench in the slot. Tighten it up. Alright, got that in there. Do the same thing for the one at the top. Alright, put my nut on it. Let me get my 19mm socket. Okay. I can actually use the air gun for this one. Let's see, put that on there. Tighten it up. And that takes care of that. Do the same thing for the other side. And you should have it all done. Hit the subscribe button below. Any comments, likes, hit the button below, and I'll get back to you on the next one.